to my channel. So for this week's video, it's a very special video. It is my 20,000 subscriber giveaway video. I am super excited to share this moment with you all. I hope you like the giveaway that I've curated. I think this is such an important milestone in my YouTube journey on here, and I just wanted to do this giveaway to kind of celebrate with you guys for reaching 20,000 subscribers, and thank you for joining me on this journey and sticking around and putting up with my awkwardness and my humor and my DIY projects as well. So for this giveaway, I have 3 separate prizes, 2 of which are going to be YouTube related and 1 of which is going to be solely on Instagram. This giveaway is kind of themed for more of a cozy night in / Christmas related. I know it's a little bit early, but by the time the giveaway is over, we're going to be in full-blown Christmas season. So hopefully by the time you receive this, it'll be like the start of the holiday season and you can fully enjoy the cozy night in vibe that I'm trying to create with these prizes. Now, the first and most exciting prize in the giveaway is this custom Christmas sign by Honeydew Design. They were so sweet and donated a sign towards the giveaway. It is the iconic red Christmas truck with a green Christmas tree. It is painted with the most gorgeous stained wood trim around the sign. I just have to say that this sign is amazing quality. It feels substantial and well made and well put together. In addition to donating this sign to the giveaway for one of you to win it, they're also providing a 20% off coupon code to all of my subscribers to shop their Etsy store. They have a beautiful array of signs and a bunch of other items that you can shop. I encourage you to check it out. It's amazing. And plus 20% off is also amazing. The code is d.i.y Cottage. If you enter that, you will get 20% off your order. And yeah, check them out. The second item in the giveaway is this amazing, luxurious, chunky knit throw. This throw blanket is super soft, super cuddly, and will keep you warm on those cozy, cold winter nights. The next prize is this Dream Big Rae Dunn mug. And this Christmas Rae Dunn Peace and Joy little dish. Next, I included this beautiful farmhousey snowflake wood bead garland. I like this so much, I had to grab one for myself. So that's the grand prize. I hope you guys like that prize. Let me show you what's in the second tier prize. So the first item in this prize is this Threshold chunky knit throw, and it is so soft. I'm also including this BU Rae Dunn mug because you know I love myself some Rae Dunn. So those 2 are the 2 biggest prizes of this giveaway. I hope you guys like the bigger prizes. I wanted them to kind of have a cozy winter's night in vibe to them. So, you know, you got your cozy blankets, you got your coffee, your mug, your face mask, your lip balm. It's just like a self-care evening to warm the soul in the winter months. So to be eligible to win these prizes, you're going to need to be subscribed to my channel and then click the link in the description to the contest giveaway page. And there will be a list of things that you can do to get entries into the giveaway. Some are one-time entries and some are daily entries that you can do and come back to every day to give you greater odds at winning. I will link all the contest rules in the description for you to check out. Go ahead and look down there if you want to enter into this giveaway. So now let me tell you about the third prize. The third prize is this set of Rae Dunn mugs and this Christmas themed candy dish, also by Rae Dunn. So this prize is an Instagram only prize, and in order to win it, you will need to be following me on Instagram. Once you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna go ahead and like this photo and read the description of that photo for the giveaway rules and how to enter. Everything will be listed in the description of that photo on my Instagram if you guys want to win that. But yeah, that's my giveaway, guys. I am so excited to do this giveaway. Honestly, I'm really nervous because I've never done anything like this before, so if it comes out weird or awkward, please forgive me. Let me know how you think I did, if you think the giveaway is good, if you're excited about the giveaway. I really hope you are. If I have missed anything in regards to this giveaway, I will list it down in the description box. Everything will be down there, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I will answer them for some clarification or rules or anything. As I said, I've never done this before, so first time for everything. Hopefully it goes well. That's all I have for you guys this week, and I hope you guys have amazing weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video as always. Bye guys!